Hi everyone, I hope you're doing okay. It's the new week, the new topic, contraception, abortion, and sexually transmitted infections. Um, I don't know why, I love the thought of this. The oldest condom was made from pig intestine. I mean, it's kind of gross, but they were thinking about contraception in 1640, so let's just say that sex was not only for procreation, right? Right. Okay, so this is what you're doing this week. You can see it all. You probably already looked at it. You're gonna watch a TED Talk. You're gonna read a bunch of stuff, and you're gonna contribute to the discussion forum. And you're gonna finish that midterm. The midterm's due Sunday by 11:59. And when you go into this module, which you had access to a while ago because I opened it for you guys, you can see where the submission is. It is right here. See, wait, come back here. It's right here. Midterm, November 17th. So you still have some time. So you can work on that. If you've already done it, you could have been submitted it. There's already some submissions, so you can do that as well. All right. So I look forward to all of your stuff, and I hope you're having a good holiday. I guess it's a holiday, so I hope you're enjoying that if you get it. And thanks. Take care.